Hi, I'm Tara Murphy-Ford, and I'm Chief Capital and Impact Officer at Global Partnerships. We're a nonprofit impact-first fund manager dedicated to expanding opportunity for people living in poverty. We do that by extending affordable loans to social enterprises whose products and services help people living on dollars a day earn an income and improve their lives. We are part of the innovation window with SIFI. For the past 20 years, we've been listening and learning alongside our local social enterprise partners, and we've observed a persistent barrier to scaling inclusive impact, and that's affordable access to loans in local currency. Zooming back for a moment, the reason why this is so important for us to address now is that globally, poverty progress has stalled, and inclusion gaps persist, especially for women in rural communities, including smallholder farmers. Data shows that blended finance is flowing into the markets that we serve, but it's still struggling to reach these underserved communities. Social enterprises can be part of the solution, but the most inclusive ones struggle to access the capital they need on the terms they need it to scale impact. At the heart of this issue is insufficient access to affordable loans in local currency. The majority of development finance remains in hard currency, and when local currency loans are available, they're short-term, they require collateral, or the costs of hedging are prohibitive. The result is a sustained market failure in getting capital into the hands of the most underserved communities to drive development outcomes. We are exploring how blended capital fund design and strategic management of X risk can help, first, unlock embedded margin that's otherwise lost to costly hedging, and two, unlock the flow of more efficient capital to social enterprises that are truly reaching and creating value for underserved communities. Success looks like data-driven insight into a portfolio approach to FX risk management, one that enhances efficiency, informs future fund design, and ultimately leads to stronger development outcomes for those we aim to serve. With SIFI's support, we've been able to collaborate with Dalberg Capital Partners and MFX Solutions. We've been doing market research to deepen our understanding of the challenge and the current solution set. And perhaps most interestingly, we've backtested over 400 transactions in GP's funds spanning 10 years and 18 currencies. We've also been doing scenario modeling to stress test assumptions, to understand trends, and the impact that shocks might have on the approach. Solving for better access to local currency is going to require innovation that draws on data, experience, and insight. With SIFI's support, we've been able to bring together all three and focus on how fund design and management can be part of the solution. We're excited to share more about our research findings, and you can track the progress of our project on the SIFI website.